Looking for a half doors for Jeep JL? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 half doors for Jeep JL available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect Jeep doors for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the EG Safari Tubular doors for Jeep Wrangler JK. Jeep tube doors are a great way to improve the Safari experience when driving a Jeep Wrangler JK. The EG tube doors are made from 1/8-inch steel sheet and 1/4 inches x 0.9-inch wall steel tube and come with a textured black powder-coated finish to prevent rust and corrosion. They also come with a set of side mirrors for optimum visibility. The installation is easy and can be done in minutes by mounting them on the existing OE door hinges. Jeep tube doors are a great way to improve the look of your Jeep Wrangler JK while providing ventilation in the open air. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Ecotric Tubular doors. If you're one of those who enjoy putting on an action on a safari trail, you will be pleased when you get yourself the Ecotric Tubular doors. Compatible with the 2006 to 2018 models of the Jeep Wrangler JK, these tube doors are made from 1/8-inch steel sheet and 1/4 inches x 0.08-inch steel tube, which provides powerful performance on uneven routes. The Ecotric Jeep tube doors are designed with elegance with a finish of textured black powder coating. Installation is so simple, it won't take you more than an hour. They can be used in place of your usual factory doors by removing the nuts on the bottom of the door hinges and replacing them with the new Ecotric Tubular doors with the assistance of bolts and other hardware provided. Although instructions do not come in with the package, which requires instructions when the installation process is this simple. You might want to make this purchase if you want to give your Jeep a bold look. At number 3 on our list, we have the Rugged Ridge door armrest. As the name suggests, the company is competent in supplying superior quality and sturdy Jeep accessories to its customers. Off-road driving on intensively complex routes is sure fun, but can be uncomfortable if you drive for a longer period. This is exactly why, to make your Jeep JK Wrangler rides even more comfortable and to provide you with a commendable experience, the Rugged Ridge has brought forth a door armrest for tube doors especially formulated for the driver and passenger's seat, allowing them to relax in their Jeep Wrangler JK 4-door conveniently. Each kit comes in with a pair of armrests which are well suited for 1.5 to 2-inch front or rear tube doors. All of the armrest pads are equipped with injection molded foam and can be attached with the help of the double-sided adhesive that comes with the package. Customer satisfaction is imperative to the company, and for this reason, this product comes with a 5-year warranty which will surely be long enough to satisfy your inner peace. At number 5 on our list, we have the EG Tubular Spider Web Door. EG is a reliable client-centric company and will fulfill your adventure needs through their Jeep accessory product line. Adding an unusual and unique new design to the traditional Jeep doors, the all-new EG Tubular Spider Web doors come with steel tubing of 1/8-inch steel sheet and 1/4-inch x 0.090 wall is extremely durable. Its textured black powder coat finish prevents rust and corrosion. Installation is super easy as these doors mount directly into factory hinges. This set of Jeep tube doors is perfectly compatible with Jeep JK Wrangler 4-door of models 2007 to 2018. Always keeping the driver's convenience in mind, for better visibility, you get a set of side view mirrors that can be modified manually. Although it is worth bearing in mind that these Jeep tube doors are only meant for a better off-road experience and safari amusement and therefore don't make for good protection, if you want to make your rides more thrilling, you may want to place your order today. With a whole new ballgame and distinct spiderweb design, we can assure you that this product will have people looking twice at your Jeep accessory game. At number 5 on our list, we have the Rugged Ridge Tube Side Step. Jeep JK Wrangler itself is a magnificent invention in the vehicle industry. But with the Rugged Ridge tube doors, its worth is accentuated through a brilliant new appealing design. These side tube steps make stepping inside and outside your Jeep easier because the heavy-duty steps can be used on either of the lower sides of your Jeep Wrangler TJ and JK. The stainless steel tubes on this product line are perfectly created to fit the enormous size of the Jeep Wrangler TJ. For customer convenience, they are available in 3 sizes of 3 inches round, 4 inches round, and 4.25 inches oval diameter, which is dimensions of 78 x 13 x 10 inches. The uniquely built 0.07-inch steel walls have a powder coating that provides a solid and durable finish while making it tough enough to withstand extreme conditions and looks good while doing it. With the hardware and brackets that come with this package, you are guaranteed to get effortless installation. You also will not have to worry about your foot slipping with the already installed step pad on the tube. At number 6 on our list, we have the Rugged Ridge Tube Side Step. Jeep JK Wrangler itself is a magnificent invention in the vehicle industry. But with the rugged ridge tube doors, its worth is accentuated through a brilliant new appealing design. These side tube steps make stepping inside and outside your Jeep easier because the heavy-duty steps can be used on either of the lower sides of your Jeep Wrangler TJ and JK. The stainless steel tubes on this product line are perfectly created to fit the enormous size of the Jeep Wrangler TJ. For customer convenience, they are available in 3 sizes of 3 inches round, 4 inches round, and 4.25 inches oval diameter, which is dimensions of 78 x 13 x 10 inches. The uniquely built 0.07-inch steel walls have a powder coating that provides a solid and durable finish while making it tough enough to withstand extreme conditions and looks good while doing it. With the hardware and brackets that come with this package, you are guaranteed to get effortless installation. You also will not have to worry about your foot slipping with the already installed step pad on the tube. At number 7 on our list, we have the EG Matrix Tubular Door. For many of you, unlatched cabin driving is everything. It enables you to enjoy the ride and feel free. However, open cabin driving is not very safe. This is where tubular doors make the entry and alleviate your Jeep's overall look while providing the security you need to drive fearlessly. It has a matrix design. The doors increase the line of vision, enabling us to drive through tough landscapes. A weather-resistant nylon web made from 1680 denier nylon fabric is also included with the doors, shielding from random trail wastes. The tubular doors by EG Matrix have been constructed exceptionally well. The frame comprises 1/8 steel and 1 1/4 x .080 steel sheet and tubing. The built-in OE quality latch assures protection, and a textured black powder coat finish leaves utmost finesse. The insertion is done by directly mounting it into the OE door hinge. The EG Matrix steel tubular door comes with premium quality side view mirrors. They can be fitted effortlessly and provide an accurate view of the back end. There is a reason why the EG Matrix continues to prove its product line time and time after again in multiple product reviews. At number 8 on our list, we have the EG Military Tubular Door with reflection mirror fit. The EG product line tubular doors are the newest innovations for your Jeep Wrangler. Easy to install, while giving the utmost importance to safety, and a commendable driving experience is what everyone can relish with these best Jeep military tubular doors. A distinctive 5-point military star design is the most attractive feature of the EG doors. The star is an acclamation to the historical tactical Willys model. This design escalates vision and gives easy access. Side view top-notch mirrors are versatile and movable. They provide an effortless view of the road behind escalating the vision. EG Military Tubular Door is accessible with 2018-21 Wrangler JK 4-door Jeep and 2020-2021 Gladiator JT. They are provided with fixed OE quality latch assembly. Heavy-duty steel is used in manufacturing, which comprises a 1/8 steel sheet and 1 1/4 x .080 wall steel tube. The textured black powder coating finish is the cherry on the cake. It pulls the entire design together and makes the product attractive. At number 9 on our list, we have the Rugged Ridge 11509.20 tube doors, locking, 9706 Jeep Wrangler TJ. With so many different and versatile designs of tube doors, you will never regret your decision to get one if you choose the Rugged Ridge 11509.20 for your Jeep Wrangler. Providing style and security simultaneously, these are the perfect accessories to have while traveling. Their products give a 5-year extensive warranty, along with a 30-day guarantee for their consumers. The front tube doors are sturdy and welded, providing the finest execution on bumpy roads. A durable paddle latch and factory-style hooks are given for rapid installation. In the same way, off-road tube doors are equally competent in their performance. They are assembled using 1.5-inch mandrel bent steel tube, which is then double-coated using rough powder, giving an outstanding outlook to your Jeep and making it long-running. RR has always appealed to refined taste through their wide collection of off-road, and this one is no exception. Accessories assist in driving and dealing with tough situations. Hooks, hitches, kits, winches, and recovery gears are the only tools you will ever need to mount this set in, and they all come with your purchase. At number 9 on our list, we have the EGG US Flag Tubular 2-door. EGG tube doors have always satisfied people with their top-notch quality and innovative features. If you want your Jeep Wrangler JK to stand out and its efficiency to consistently increase, look no farther than this one. These Jeep tube doors are the perfect choice for you. If you were looking for a patriotic Jeep door on this list, then you have finally arrived at one, because the American flag design is displayed on the EGG US Flag Tubular 2-door Jeep to build a sense of devotion and support for your country. The fitting procedure is hassle-free because of the OE door hinge, allowing the Jeep tube door to be mounted directly. The EGG US Flag Tubular 2-door Jeep is suitable for 1972 to 1986 CJ7 and the 1988 to 1998 EDGE Wrangler. High-grade and sturdy side view mirrors provide clarified vision for back and front ends. Made up of tough and resistant parts, including a 1/8 steel sheet and 1 1/4 X.080 steel sheet and steel tubing, this guarantees effective performance. The fastening clasp is also very sturdy. Variety is the spice of life, and with a black powder coat finish, you are sure to make heads turn. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.